Hello, this is Michael Sylvan from Ford of Kirkland, and I'm here to show you Sync 3. Sync 3 is the same no matter what system it's in. This particular car is a Ford Explorer, and what we have here is the main interface where you see what's going on with your navigation, what's going on with your entertainment, and what's going on with your phone. It tells me that I've got a good signal, full battery, that 911 assist is on to call 911 should the airbags deploy in the car. This is one way to interface with the system. I could jump in here, and you can see in my sources, one of the sources is my phone. I can listen to podcasts. I can listen to music from my phone. I can listen to anything that I want from my phone, just right here as another source of information, just like the CD, satellite, FM, and AM. Also, gives me controls for the climate control, which are redundant with what goes on here, two different ways to do it. I can get deeply into my phone, look at my text messages, check my contacts, see who called me most recently, or I can hit Do Not Disturb so nothing bothers me while I'm driving my car. I can launch Siri from here as well. In navigation, I can use the navigation system that's in the car. I can also use the navigation system that's on my phone. So if I prefer to use Google Maps, if I prefer to use Waze, use my phone. Happy to do it. Notice also it drops down to give me the whole screen, and then when I need my controls, go right back and I can use them all. Another part of the sync system is XM Travel Link. Hit that, I can see fuel prices, I can see the weather, ski conditions, movie listings, sports information. If I'm out and about and I want to go somewhere or do something, all the information's here. Don't have to grab my phone while I'm driving. Hit fuel prices, and there we go. We can see what's closest, and for many of them, exactly how much we're paying. And just like that, I can scroll down if I prefer to go somewhere different. If I want to hit 7-Eleven at the same time, then I just choose it, and it loads it right up in the system. I can either call them or just start the navigation and go right there. Also, Sync 3 gives you the opportunity to go into your car, make simple changes to the music, how the radio works, to your navigation system, or get really deep into it and really change things up, customize your car for you. What formerly you were stuck with from the factory, now you get to change. And there's even more, because at any time you can take your phone, this is an iPhone, plug it in, and then what we end up doing, is moving our telephone to the screen. And at this point, now, instead of using Ford system, I'm using Apple system. If this is an Android device, I'm using Android system. And among other things, I can use Apple Maps, Google Maps, and Waze instead of what's in the car. So options, choices, that's what Sync 3 gives you.